dream of royal king until I'm purring like I'm famous. Every crunch acquire every bite.
Have you ever seen a cat singing a sad, emotional song like a real pop star? Well, videos like this are going insanely viral on social media right now. With VibeMe AI, you can actually create your own song and make your pet sing it. Yep, just like what you're seeing right now. Sounds fun, right? Let me show you how to do it. Step 1. Create your own song. First, download and install the VibeMe AI app. I've already put the download link in the description below so you can easily find it. Once you open the app, tap the plus button. Then choose AI Song to start creating your song. Now switch to lyrics mode. If you already have your own lyrics, you can simply type them here. But if you don't have any lyrics yet, don't worry. VibeMe AI can actually generate them for you. To generate lyrics, you just need to type a concept or idea for your song. For example, I'm going to make a sad song about a cat who dreams of eating a royal canin, but the owner can only afford to buy cheap fish from the market. Yeah, poor cat. That sounds both sad and kind of funny at the same time. After typing your idea, tap Generate New Lyrics and wait a few seconds while VibeMe AI creates the lyrics automatically. Next, choose your music style. For this one, I'm choosing soft acoustic indie ballad because I want the song to feel emotional and a little dramatic. You can choose other genres available here if you want. Now tap Advanced Options. Here you can select the vocal gender. I'm going with male for this example. Then choose the mood. Since this is a sad story about a disappointed cat, I'll select Sad Melancholic. Next, check the song title. Usually the title is already generated automatically when the lyrics were created, but you can edit it if you want. Finally, tap Generate. And wait a few minutes while VibeMe AI creates your song. And that's it. Your song is ready. You can play it from the beginning to enjoy the full track. Bowl of market fish and a 5-star heart. Royal canin dreams in a one-room flat. Step 2. Create the music video. Now let's turn this song into a singing pet video. Tap Create Music Video on your song preview. Then choose Pet Sing Style. VibeMe AI actually has several other styles you can explore later, like singing video, storyboard MV, cartoon MV, and even duet. Next, crop the part of the song you want to use. The music video can be up to 120 seconds long, so choose your favorite section. Now upload a photo of your favorite pet, then tap Confirm. You can also change the visual style if you want. There are options like custom, cowboy, studio, and more. Then choose the generation model. Some available models include VibeGen Pro, 1, 2.2, Kling AI Avatar, and OmniHuman. Once everything is ready, tap Generate. And wait while the video is being created. And done. Here's the result. Royal canin dreams on a cushion. Your pet is now singing your song like a real performer. It looks cute, it looks realistic, and honestly, videos like this can easily get millions of views. Fish and a 5-star heart. Royal canin dreams in a one-room flat in the dark. So yeah, if you want to try it yourself, go ahead and download VibeMe AI using the link in the description. Create your own song and turn your pet into the next viral singer. And who knows, your pet might become the next AI superstar on the internet.